Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Spreading Positivity. Yesterday in my Instagram, I had posted one particular my thumbnail. I had posted in my Instagram uh, that I'm going to introduce a chit chat video again onwards in my channel, and this is going to be there every Wednesday, and this will be happening only if I get good responses and support from all of you guys. Anyways, to start off with, for today's session, uh, since 2 days, like from yesterday, if you see, a lot of the social media has taken up one particular topic which is going to be or which has been a particular taboo in our society. I don't know whether we can call it as a taboo, but the insensitive kind of approach what people has against another person, intruding into their personal life, intruding into their personal interest, whatever be. I just want to talk regarding that. And I hope I don't get any vulgar comments here. I don't know how many of you all will comment also. I really don't care about the comments. But anyways, what I want to showcase here is that we are in a society where people are so insensitive. People are um, more likely towards they have that interest into peeping into another's life. Like in this video I'll be showing few clippings, not clippings but few screenshots uh, regarding what I'm going to talk. One thing is like yesterday, one of the heated elements that we had in our social media was regarding uh, the a film actress giving a statement by wearing a not statement I can say, but it was just a caption that was given for a photo, and in which she's wearing a shorts and a t-shirt, I think a cold shoulder t-shirt, and people has given so much of vulgar comments below it. Why are they even bothered about it? That's what even I don't get it. That is number one. And following her, many other people, especially film actresses, they came forward uh, posting some pictures similar to that. And by now, I hope you would have got it. It's nothing just regarding the tag is hashtag we have legs. സത്യമല്ലേ? എല്ലാവർക്കും കാലുകളുള്ളതല്ലേ? Everyone has legs, and God has created every human beings mm, for a particular purpose, right? What I'm trying to say is, why are you interfering into our lives? We too have legs. That's true. You needn't worry about what others do. And the comments that fell on such people, on all these people's profiles under these photographs, it was so thought provoking. I mean, that is what I'm. That is what I thought. Okay, I should be doing something for this. It's just not about film actresses. I'm talking about normal girls like us too. There are a lot of people who like to show off their body figure because they have been blessed with uh, such a one. And moreover, we all are, like, each one of us are unique. Each one of us has been created very uniquely and very differently, very beautifully by God. So why don't we show off our legs? What is wrong in it? So, following Anashwara Rajan, the next one who followed her was Ahana Krishna. You know, she is a very bold character, a very bold person. She took that courage of coming forward and giving a talk regarding the cyberbullies last time, and now regarding the this we have legs issue. Okay, I don't completely agree with her for the comments or for everything that she did for or did against the cyberbullying thing, but this particular issue that is regarding the we have legs tag, so this is actually a issue where people mindsets are so weird that they are not ready to uh, think that, or they don't want others to live like how they want to. Instead, people want others to live according to those people's uh, wishes. For example, ഞാനെങ്ങനെ ജീവിക്കണം എന്നുള്ളത് തീരുമാനിക്കുന്നത് ഞാനാണല്ലോ. അല്ലാണെങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ ഇഷ്ടത്തിന് ജീവിക്കണം എന്നുള്ളത് എനിക്കൊരാഗ്രഹമുണ്ട്. ബാക്കിയുള്ളവരുടെ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അവരുടെ ഇഷ്ടത്തിന് നമ്മൾ ജീവിക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് അവരുടെ ചിന്ത. ബട്ട് ദിസ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് റൈറ്റ്. Everyone has individualism, everyone has individual personality, everyone has individual rights. So nowhere in the law says that if you wear a short dress you may get raped, or you might get, a sexually offensive comments, or you might get sexually offensive or anyone can bombard into someone else's life by making such comments or any act that is questioning their sexualism. So what I want to tell you is, please do not judge a person by what he or she wears. Everyone, as I told you, everyone has their own individuality. They have their own lifestyle. They have their own style of dressing, sense of dressing. So it is always better not to interfere into others' life. ഇവരുടെയൊക്കെ ചോദിക്കാനും പറയാനും അവരുടെ സ്വന്തം പേരൻസ് ഉണ്ടെന്ന് ചിന്തിക്കുക. They are there and they will talk if they have any issues by what their children or their daughters wear. That is completely up to them because it is their family. Let it be within their family itself. Why should anyone who is not connected with their family go comment whatever they feel like under their photographs or whatever it is, under their post, under their social media post, etc. This is something which I would also like that, I felt that I should address it. It's just not me, any lady, because tomorrow when you walk down the streets wearing a mini dress, no one should say like, oh, she's wearing something provocative, she's provocating people to do something sexually offensive acts against her. For example, Kerala is a very literate state, right? A few days back we saw a news where a girl who was being taken to the hospital as she was COVID positive, and she was being taken to the hospital. The ambulance driver raped her. I don't know what kind of mental situation he was going through whatsoever. It is not his sexual frustration that has to be taken against that lady or that girl who is at the verge of do or die situation. That is, if she is taken to the hospital, she can be rescued, or she can be she may live longer. And if not, if she's not given proper care on time, she might die as well. So I really feel bad that people in the same state, they try to uh, take another girl, especially girls. They take, a man take advantage out of girl uh, whenever they feel like. But whereas if a girl who has same sexual frustrations do something, then it is then that girl is being tagged as dash. I hope you understood that. So what I want to tell you is, please do not judge anyone. And especially coming to the dressing is nothing. As we all say, that you should not judge a book by its cover. So whatever you wear is, I won't say it's completely nothing, but again it depends upon what kind of situation, etc. Like for example, if you're going for a job, yeah, definitely dressing makes sense. But if you are wearing something for a photo shoot, now yesterday that is what happened. It was during a photo shoot that girl has taken a picture. We don't know how she's in her real life. So photo shoot is something different, and she's doing something, and I didn't feel anything bad in it. I did not feel any awkward uh, style of dressing in her. It's not just her. A lot of girls who wear something. I mean, everyone has got, especially girls, they've got that sense of dressing in such a way that they don't spoil the, or they don't give that first time look when others look at you. They don't wear something which is provocative, like and they don't have any bad intentions. So why would you have a bad intention in judging them or while looking at them? So I would really like to tell you that, guys, please do not enter into or peep into anyone's life. Let them wear whatever they want. There are people who wear bikinis. It's their personal interest. There are people who want to wear, mini dresses, which they are comfortable. They are personally comfortable with it. Their family members are personally comfortable with it. Then what is the problem with you? Is the question. So it is. I'm not doing this video to get attention, because the issue is viral and I don't want to comment anything on that. But what I want to tell you is that it's just a small message. Please do not, I've told you earlier itself, please do not judge a girl by what she wears. She doesn't have any bad intentions. She's not thinking that okay, she must be like she want to provocate anyone. That's not the way. She's wearing something what she likes and something what she's comfortable with. So that's it for this video, and this video is going to be an unedited version. This video is going to be raw, really raw. So I'm just going to upload it as it is, and please do not come and tell me personally that your editing is good, bad and all that. I'm not editing this particular video anyways, and this is going to be this session in this particular chit chat session. My tag was girls heart out, which means you can open out your heart, tell whatever you feel, especially when you have a personal issue, and if you really want to address it, then you can comment, you can mail, you can even send a message in my Instagram or Facebook. And if you definitely, I'm not going to reveal any one of your names. I'll be keeping it anonymous. But whatever you want to address to the society, and if you are not in a position to address it, definitely I can do it for you, and I'll be really happy for you, happy for it if I'm able to do that and give you a complete justice on that. So whatever issues I feel or I have come across in my personal life, I will be addressing it here. And it's just not about problems, we need to find a solution for it. So I'll be giving you solutions in whichever possible I think that it is right and that will work. So in that way I'll be giving you solutions or tips, whatever is required. So you can be free enough to comment it down below, and if you feel that the comment is public and you don't want to show it off among the other viewers, then you can definitely send me a personal mail. I'll be linking my Gmail ID here, and you can also message me in my Instagram or Facebook pages of Spreading Positivity. So you can always depend me as a friend, and I can definitely find solutions, and if not solutions, at least few tips that you can use it in your daily life to tackle your problems. So that's it for this particular video, and thank you so much. So stay tuned to Girls Heart Out on Wednesdays at 6:30 p.m. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.